Hey, boys and girls, happy Friday. I hope everyone has had a fantastic week. I know that you guys have been watching a few videos from last year, but today we're going to just have a quick video on this text structures interactive notebook that you guys are going to be completing today. So, when you log into Canvas, you're going to see the same exact thing, and we're going to have some information slides that it's going to give you. And it's going to talk to you about all the vocabulary words that we have gone over, and then you're going to have a chance to practice that skill on the following slide. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Sequence. So we've talked about sequence a lot, and the sequence text structure is used for telling a series of events in order, or telling the steps in a process. For example, a book might tell you how to bake a cake. You guys wrote a technical text on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and we followed those steps for you. So signal words give you clues about the text structure. Signal words are not always present in a text, but if they are, they give you clues about the text structure. These are some signal words for the sequence text structure. There could be first, finally, before, meanwhile, on, a specific date, next, after, now, eventually, at a specific time, last, until, then, and at last. So you're going to write two sentences telling about something that happened. Use a signal word in each sentence to show the order in the events that they happen. So I'm going to say, first, I woke up, and then I went to the bathroom to brush my teeth. So you can tell the first thing that I did that day is I woke up. And then immediately after that, I went to the bathroom to brush my teeth. I thought I thought the test was going to take forever. Eventually, everyone finished the test, and we got to go home. All right. So yesterday is a specific day. It's on a specific date. Yes, yesterday. I thought the test was going to take forever, but eventually, the word here, eventually, everyone finished the test and we got to go home. Next, we talk about problem and solution. So we haven't really talked about problem and solution much for this specific standard, but we have talked about it in the past. And with problem and solution, the author tells a problem or a goal, as well as telling how the problem was resolved or the goal was met. For example, a magazine article might tell what people did to clean up the local park. These are some signal words for problem and solution text structure. 1 and 2, the question is, to solve this, one reason for the problem, if then, problem is solved, goal is met. Pretend your friend found a lot of litter on the playground. Write a solution to the problem. So the problem is that me and my friend found a lot of litter on the playground. We're going to use one of these signal words. So to solve this problem of a lot of litter on the playground, my friend and I decided to clean the trash up so we would have a cleaner playground. I need to go to bed earlier. All right, so I wrote my solution. All right, let's keep going. Next, we have compare and contrast, and we've talked about this a lot too. Find out where to put my camera at. So, text that follow the compare and contrast structure Tell about the differences and similarities of two or more things. The things being compared could be objects, places, events, or even ideas. For example, a book about animals might tell how dolphins are different from porpoises. These are some signal words for compare and contrast text structure. However, unlike in comparison, although likewise, on the other hand, similar, the difference between. So we're going to be comparing apples to oranges over here. And our directions say that we're going to drag into the appropriate section of the Venn diagram to compare and contrast apples. Well, which are orange? Are apples orange or are oranges orange? Oranges are orange. Which are red? Apples are red. Which are crunchy? I would say they're both crunchy, right? I don't really eat oranges, but I'm pretty sure they're both crunchy. Crunchy. They both provide vitamins. An orange comes in sections, and they are both round. All right. And last but not least, let's look at the final one. The final one is cause and effect, and we've talked about cause and effect for a very long time. So in texts that follow the cause and effect structure, the reader is told the result of an event and the reason it happened. For example, weather patterns could be described that tell what caused a tornado. Here are some signal words for cause and effect text structure. Consequently, leads to, for this, so, thence, therefore, due to, reason, as a result, then, we also know because. Write a cause and effect in the graphic organizer below. So, I'm going to say I was thirsty, so I drank water. I was very thirsty. So, the cause of the effect of me being thirsty was that I drank water. The cause of me drinking water was because I was very thirsty. All right, guys, when you get into your assignment today, I'm going to open it a different way because Canvas is not liking me today. When you get into your assignment, you are going to see pretty much the same thing that you just saw on my screen. So you're going to see the text structure digital interactive notebook. There's going to be the information slides that we just went over, and then you guys are going to have a chance to practice them. So you guys are going to be doing sequence, problem and solution, compare and contrast, and then cause and effect. Make sure that you complete all of these slides before you turn it in. All right, boys and girls, after you do, please hit submit, and your teacher will be able to give you some feedback. Have a good day. Bye.